I'm mad at Disney, Disney. They tricked me, had me wishing on a shooting star. But now I'm 20-something, I still know nothing about who I am or what.
'50th anniversary ones. That is all of them. Thank you for watching. Bye. It did not work. Bye.